talk about is lavender. I love lavender. How do you use lavender? Lavender is great in the diffuser. It's great to help calm the kids. I like to use lavender in my diffuser when I'm homeschooling. I like to use lavender with orange in my diffusers because lavender is helps with focus, and then the orange helps create a happy atmosphere and keep everybody happy. So lavender is great for focus, it's great for calming. You can breathe it before you want to go to bed. You can put it in your kid's diffuser to help them sleep at night. Use it to help calm your nerves. If you're feeling a little jittery, like you're just stressed, I like to ingest and put a drop in my mouth to help me feel calm and calm my nervous system. You can also make an air freshener spray with lavender. You can put it in your rollers for your immune system rollers or your respiratory support rollers. And you can roll it all over your kids and yourselves. But lavender is used for so many different things. They call it the Swiss Army knife because it's just so versatile, but you can also use it for skin issues. So my daughter came and woke me up in the middle of the night with a rash on her arm, and I'm like, where did this come from? So I grabbed my lavender, put it on her arm, and told her to go to bed, and she never bugged me again. It's also great for bug bites. So there's lavender for you guys.